كل نفس ذائقة الموت ونبلوكم بالشر والخير فتنة وإلينا ترجعون.
Every soul will taste death, and we test you, O humanity, with good and evil as a trial. Then to us you will all be returned. Message from this ayat. Death is a truth that everyone has to taste one day. Believer and also the disbeliever, prophets and also the tyrant and oppressors, Jinn and the angels. No one has survival and permanent existence except Almighty Allah, and death is not the end of the story. On the contrary, it is only the beginning of the story. And who will be good preacher and exhorter than death? Abunawas, known for his drinking, was a great Arabic poet, had a good neighbor who repeatedly called him to Allah and asked him to give up drinking. This neighbor died, so Abunawas left the house along with his funeral. When he reached the grave, he said, "Your advice today seems to be more effective and efficient than your lifetime advice." That means the effect in the advice that you used to say to me every day wasn't so much when compared to the effect of seeing you lying in the grave is felt.